Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're gonna go to the M1 Concourse in Woodward Roadkill night. We're gonna be taking my Mustang there. It's gonna be a really fun time. Let's get going. So I was actually in Florida for about a week. So this is a 7-10 day cold start up on the Mustang. Guys, my neighbor is really doing it to me right now. He's got a Ford GT in the driveway, and then he's got a Viper right next to it. I think he's also got a Z06 in the garage, too. Must be nice. All right, guys, so I've actually never been to the M1 in Woodward Roadkill night before, so I'm not entirely sure what to expect. But what Roadkill is it's basically just a traditional drag race, like bracket style. You know, if you lose, you're out. If you win, you go on to the next one. And you verse somebody who has also won. But what's also going to be going on is at M1 itself on the skid pad. This event is sponsored by Dodge, so they're going to have ride-alongs and drifting in the Hellcats, maybe the Red Eye 2. I'm not sure exactly what they're going to be bringing out, but there's about a mile of Woodward Avenue that is shut down for this event, and the drag racing is actually going to be going on Woodward itself, so that's going to be pretty cool. Very important, guys. We have got to grab our caffeine. There we go. OG flavor right here. All right. Rain review. Carnival candy. Tastes delicious. What do you think, Zach?
It's amazing.
Hey, for those of you who don't know, actually, nobody knows because we never said anything about this, but Zach's Charger got crashed like a month ago. Somebody smoked him, they blew a light, and it's been getting built back to normal. So he's getting it back next week, so that's really exciting. But maybe we'll have a video coming up on the whole story about what happened. So I don't know, we just never told anyone. So right up here, I know you can kind of see where that cop is. This is actually with the start of where they closed off Woodward, and we're gonna go park right there. We can't drive to this place. You know, they have a parking structure, so we're gonna park there, and then they have shuttles that we will take to the racetrack. Let's go. Tunnel! So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's be real. 99% of this audience is guys. So here we are, guys, and the 3 females watching this video. This is M1 Concourse. As you can see, it's a big racetrack, and there's actually garage condos around here as well. So I just signed up. There's 2 Hellcat ride-alongs that we're gonna be going on. One is the actual track ride-along, and another is a skid pad. You can kind of see it over there. So let me just give you guys a little bit of an overview of what's going on. Over here, you can't really see it. There's bleachers right there. If you can see, that is where the drag racing and roadkill is happening. And over here is the skid pad with all of the Hellcats that are doing donuts and things like that. There's some of the garages that I was mentioning. There's also lots of tents and things going around all over the place here. Also got this cool shirt from Dodge. And right over here, somewhere in this area, is where the ride-alongs are gonna be happening. So I'm very excited to do that. I've actually never been in a Hellcat driving before at all. So it's gonna be cool that my first time is gonna be going with a professional driver on a professional course. I'm very excited about that. I'm actually gonna go check out the drift area and those ride-alongs, so we're gonna see what we got ourselves into. We just got in line for the regular Hellcat ride-along, and I'm honestly very, very excited. Like I said, never been in a Hellcat before until today. Really excited. It's gonna be the first time on a track. I'm gonna go see if I can peek around here and see what I got myself into. So these are all the Hellcats they're all going through, and this is the track where they're gonna be riding along. I don't know if you can really see very well the actual path that they're taking, but yeah, as you can see, they're coming all up around here. There's got to be something, maybe like a lap or circle, something around there, but can't really see too much. But I'm gonna be filming inside the car, so we'll get a better look done. I'm starting to get nervous. I'm excited. I've never been in a Hellcat before. Oh wait, can't put my seatbelt. Oh, it's stuck in the door. Hold on.
All right, man, 707 horses right here.
I'm excited.
You ready?
Yeah. Rick. That was amazing.
Cool?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Bone stock, man. This
Thanks
is
so
exactly
much, man.
how
That was
they hand
great.
keys to you.
Where you from?
I'm from Macomb.
Nice.
What she's got?
You having a good time today?
Oh yeah. We got here a little bit late, but yeah.
Hey, you still made it in line in time.
Yes, sir. This makes me want to do shit to my car.
Right?
I have a Daytona.
Do you?
Yeah.
Nice. What year?
06.
Very cool.
How long have you been doing this for Dodge?
About 6 years. I know it's my 5th year doing Woodward, so I used to race Indy cars for about 10 years.
That's awesome.
Yeah, my last Indy 500 I drove in was Danica's first Indy 500. Yep.
Thank you, dude.
Oh, you're very welcome. It's my pleasure. Let me let everybody pull up.
That was absolutely incredible. Never done anything like that before. I was in the yellow Pennzoil one. I think it's actually the thumbnail of this video, but my driver's name was Rick. He was super, super cool. Never done a hot lap before like that, and we were drifting all over the place. I was having the time of my life. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do the drifting and donuts area just because it's getting late. It took us a lot longer than I expected. We were in that line for about 2 hours. So now we're going to go grab some food and watch some drag racing. That thing is loud. So guys, this whole event is actually sponsored by Dodge. A lot of them worked in part, or Dodge itself worked in part with M1 to really make this whole thing and put it all forth. So a lot of the events here, there's a lot of Dodge cars and stuff. And this right here is the first in person I've seen a wide body Charger. Never seen this before. It's relatively new. I think it came out in the last couple of months. So I'm gonna take a look at it. As you can see here, we've got obviously like the wide body accents around the fenders, both front and rear. I'm not sure what else. I'm not sure if those side skirts are part of the package. I think they are. But this is actually a very, very sweet wrap as well. I believe this this listing company, I'm not sure. I know they have a lot of significance with the wide body itself, but I like these back vents here in the bumper. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, those are real. They look fake for a second, but this is actually really, really nice car. This wrap really makes it pop out, stand apart from a lot of the other Chargers on the road. And if you guys can see here with this reflection, we've got a roll cage. It's kind of hard to see in there because there's a big glare, but racing seats, roll cage. So we kind of got sidetracked on the way to get food. We did a little bit of shopping in some of these tents, bought some clothes. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but check this out. This is the drift circuit that they're going through. That looks like it would have been a lot of fun, but I still had a great time at the hot lapping circuit. So yeah, back to food and drag racing. Finally sat down with some food. We got this delicious looking pulled pork and some coleslaw there. Ready to watch the drag race. So we were finally able to get our food, get to the drag race. As soon as I grabbed my food, I pretty much ate it all. I was starving, but I want to show you guys what this is actually like, how this whole thing works. So this right here is actually Woodward Avenue. Everybody knows the famous Woodward Avenue. This is it. They're drag racing directly on the road. Road's closed off, but as you can see, it looks like there's businesses and stuff on the side here. Right by where that big screen is, that's where the starting line is. And the finish is right around here somewhere. I think if you can see those flashing lights, I think that's the starting line. Finish is right around here somewhere. So we're probably going to go up to the gate. Race that we saw was the end of the big tire competition, and the winner of that race has won the big tire for the Roadkill event. Now, the drag racing is over, but I still want to show you guys some really cool stuff we got. We bought a ton of clothes, and we got a bunch of free merch as well. So this is the stuff I got. I bought this cool Hellcat and Demon hoodie. This was only $22 from like the Dodge tent. That was really cool. We got this free, if we can focus in on it, we got this free Dodge keychain. They also, when you come in, they gave you this free shirt if you registered for the Hellcat ride-along. Zach actually got a lot more stuff and a lot more cool stuff than I did. He also obviously got the free shirt. He got this Charger shirt as well at the same tent that I bought that hoodie on. $13.20. He got some air fresheners for his vehicle. He got like a sticker pack as well. This is really cool. These are gonna look nice on the back of some of the vehicles. Same keychain there. Oh, I didn't even notice this one. This race car keychain tag. This is the 1320 video tag again. This Roadkill night shirt. This one's really nice. Woodward Avenue, Pontiac, Michigan, 2019. And then also, Mexico is only 3 honks away. I like it. We're gonna call it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for checking this out. I really appreciate it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. I can't even begin to express how much it helps me and the channel grow so I can do more cool stuff. Showing your support really, really helps this channel grow. And I cannot begin to thank you enough for sharing this and subscribing and telling your friends about it. So I hope you guys enjoy this one more time, and I'll see you in the next video.